This is a quick tutorial on how to log on your and set up TorquePro. So you guys can go back in time and rewind, but I'll try to be quick. So settings, we go on general settings, OBD2 adapter settings. You guys can just scroll through and copy what I have here. Faster communications enabled, don't calculate MPG, and so on. So that's what that looks like. We go back, data login and upload. Important. Click on that. Select what to log. That's how you set up the PIDs. All these green are already selected, but you just click on the right upper top and you'll be able to, oh gosh, come on. Okay, select what to log. And that's how you, and so just select the ones that I told you guys to select, okay? The more you select, the more data reads slower, and depending on the OBD2 adapter that you have, this is very important. Okay, file login interval, very important that it's the fastest one is selected at 0.1. The rest you guys can scroll through and just copy how my settings are here. Okay, so all this stuff disable. Okay, that's about it. So there's two ways to log. The easiest one is when you set up your gauges here. When you reach an empty page, for example, on TorquePro, you can hold and add the display and select the square type of gauges like I have here. I like them because they have the lowest and highest value. Sometimes that's what we'll use, and even without screen recorder turned on, I'll be able to see what your, what's the highest boost that you hit, for example. Okay, without doing anything, you guys just turn it on and you'll be able to tell me what it is, or use screen record when you log in. Okay, another way to do the logging is on the left here. When you'll click start logging. Now this will log the PIDs that we have selected previously here in the menu. So this is going to be different. Okay, so make sure you guys understand this, that this is going to be these PIDs that we have selected here. Okay, so so once again, in real-time information, you guys can watch your gauges that you set up. But to log, on the left here, you click start logging, and it will start logging the PIDs that we have selected in those other settings. And then you stop logging. So only start before you're doing a run, because it's going to give you a bunch of data, extra data that we don't need. So only select what we need. Okay, then you can click email logs, and there you go. You can select it and just email it right to me. Okay, so that's the proper way to do it. But for a quick way to do it, you can just record the gauges that you have set up and do it that way. But then again, the more gauges you set up, the slower your speed will be. So your OBD2 adapter is important, the type that you have for logging. But then again, for basic logging, even the cheap OBD2 adapter with speed close to 20 is fine. This is how you check your speed. You click on OBD2 adapter status, scroll down, and you see adapter PID read speeds right here. So 20 is preferable and higher. Okay, now the fastest OBD2 Bluetooth will be OBD2 Link, which will be about 40. The fastest login speed will be with your USB OBD2 adapter, which will be 100. But anyways, for our purpose, for basic logging, 20 is enough. So if your adapter is around 20, that should do it. If it's slower or much slower than that, you should probably get a different adapter. Okay, that is it for now.